Crystal Crafts, and as ever on my channel we have to have a haul, don't we? I just can't resist picking things up. So I'm going to start off with something I picked up in a charity shop, and this was on the top to show me what was in it. So it's a Christmas wreath set including embellishments, and they show you some ideas for wreaths, which are really cool and quite different from what I might have thought of. This was £2, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to have to get it. Of course I am, and of course it's going to get in the way of the camera. So you get a couple of these really big Christmas wreaths, too big to show you on there. It's all going to come out of the box because I can't store it that way. I got a couple of these sort of medium-sized ones, there to show you how big they are, and a couple of these more itty ones that are my hand size. I quite like the smaller ones actually because they don't take up so much space. And then I've got an absolute mass of all these little wooden shapes, and you know I love little wooden shapes. I mean, these could be decorated and put onto wreaths. I don't know what I think about that. Obviously they could be hanging Christmas decorations as well. The gingerbread men are slightly scary but also kind of cute. And of course there's bells as well. So I definitely think I will get some use creating some wreaths. It'd be good fun giving a go at that, and I just couldn't say no to it for £2. Yeah, that shows you all the bits and pieces and everything within there as well. And I just like some of those ideas. That's quite inspiring. See, that one looks like I can just hear a cat at the door. Looks like they've got jam jars. They put pictures in and stuck it on. I quite like that. And that's sort of making bows, isn't it? And that's really natural with cinnamon and orange. So 3 very good ideas in my opinion there. We will see what I go for. Where do we go to next? Also in town, I popped into a local fabric shop just to pick up some wool mix felts. So it's 30% wool and the rest acrylic, because full wool felt is quite expensive. 70p a sheet they were, mainly for die cutting. That's what I got these for. Wool felt die cuts really nicely, so you can see I've got some colours for Christmas and some white for making teeth. You remember that little die that I got? I thought those were quite autumnal colours there, and the green and the red obviously are Christmas. So 70p each. I needed some of those, so I picked those up. Also went into the works, and they had this gorgeous decoupage paper, and I haven't seen that much decoupage paper in Halloween style this year, so I thought I'm gonna have to pick this up. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I just love the bats and love the purple. They also had an orange one that said boo. What does it say, boo? Something like, or scare you or something. Anyway, it was nice, but I just went for that one because I didn't have that much to do with it really. And this tissue paper is just for wrapping up Happy Mail because I think it's pretty. Then we'll move on to this one. Not very exciting, but I quickly popped into Primark and picked up one of their t-shirts because I am going to use, jumping around behind me, this, if you remember, this came in my Imaginations Crafts mystery box, a fabric and canvas transfer. So I'm hoping that design, I was going to get a white t-shirt, but I happen to like grey t-shirts. I've got a lot of them actually, so I wish I'd have gone white. But you know, what's the point in varying your life? Why not just stick to the same things? So that I'm going to try out later, and I'll film it if anyone is interested to see how well they come out, and have that design on the top and wear it hopefully. So that's just from Primark. Then from eBay, I picked this one up. It was about £6 something in the end, plus some postage. It's an 8x8 paper pads, and Graphic 45, as we know, do some of the most beautiful paper pads. But I've always had a thing for paper dolls, so when I saw this one, I was like, oh, I'm just going to have to get it. Even though I know that I'll be in a situation where I just feel like I can't use it because it's too gorgeous. Obviously, it's double-sided. Look at the little family. I mean, they don't look very happy. They're not a happy family, but they're Penny, and she's got all her classic outfits, and that's a little doll. Dolly dear. How sweet. A true friend is the best possession. It's like the slowest flip through, isn't it? Mother. Call my mother, mother. Obviously. Father, And Billy, poor Billy, stuck there in his pants. Little cutaway strips, and I like the little stamps, and that one's cute as well, isn't it? And then there's some friends. China, Scotland, Netherlands. Oh, there. I was thinking, what an odd name, but no, that's just the outfits. You can dress them up in different outfits. And then a colouring in one. So I'm going to cut them out and stick them like paper dolls, because, you know, my childhood is still here in myself, somewhere deep within. And then also on eBay, I picked up a bundle of 5 CD-ROMs. So I never buy paper crafting CD-ROMs, but the reason I got these is because I was a Bramley Head. Just another childhood thing. I was obsessed with Bramley Head when I was a child. Had the books, still got the books actually, and I loved it. I've also got a book for making the soft toys of them, so I might do some project that involves paper and the soft toys. So because it had that one and it had that one, so Poppy's Baby's Secret Staircase, I think was my favourite ever book they did. I had to get those two. The other ones that came in, I wasn't that bothered about, but actually, really, you know, Beatrix Potter, I love those books as well, so I really like that one. So these 3 I really like, and then it also came with these 2 that I wasn't too fussed about, but there we go, they were in there. And so I have printed some out. This is on Mr. Coastal Crafts printer, so the quality is not fantastic, but who knows. So these are some cute ones from the Beatrix Potter. So I'll just show you some of the ones on there. They're all going to be really mixed up, aren't they? The Beatrix Potter ones came out quite nicely actually, because they were quite pale. That's a mango. So sometimes they had ones that you could decoupage, sometimes they didn't. That's from that Party Paws. So I printed that one out because I wanted to decoupage them up. And that one as well. I'm not sure whether the printer was lacking in a certain ink because it doesn't have quite the right vibrancy to it. And then this is obviously Bramley Hedge. Wasn't the most fantastic quality when it printed out, unfortunately. That's making a shadow box. I'm going to give it a go. Some of them are really cute. I don't even entirely know what I'm going to do with them. I just had to have them. So we had a visit from Mr. Coastal Crafts then. Yeah, that's another shadow box one there. That's the baby's one. Not that familiar with that book. And then that's lots of ones from the Secret Staircase. Gorgeous images. I've no idea really what I'm going to do with them, but there we go. And some decoupage one from the Beatrix Potter. Did I say that was from that Tweedies one? But I didn't like how it printed out. A bit too dark, which is probably more to do with a printer that I was using as opposed to the actual images. But there we go. That's my first sort of venture into digital crafting. What's always put me off with this is, for a start, the printer we've got doesn't really fit any kind of decent card through. It's got to be the thinnest card in the world. But mainly the cost of ink. I'm not too sure about the cost of ink on his printer. So we shall see how we go. He said I can print out whatever I want. So that's why I printed out that splodge of stuff. But yeah, that's my haul for this week, which doesn't sound too bad. Could be worse. And I think I'm going to attach this to some lovely Happy Mail. So I shall be back in a second. Received some gorgeous Happy Mail this week. First one is from the lovely Pip field. So, you know, we swapped a number of times before. And this time we went for a vintage ladies theme. And she attached this gorgeous sewn, I don't know whether you call it a tag or just sort of hanging decoration maybe of a corset. Look how beautiful that is. And she also chucked in for me a lovely little gift of these. I think you put them on to paper and then you add glitter and it makes a shape and it's really cute. So I shall have fun having a go at this. But let's have a look at how gorgeous. So she trimmed it all. Lots and lots of lovely pearl stick-on things. Can't think of the official words. They're my favourite types of stick-on things. And lots of lovely ladies. Isn't it? That one's got some extra pearls on her dress. That lady's giving something to a man. She reminds me of Princess Diana. She looks a bit like her, doesn't she? I don't know who the man would be. Mysterious. Oh, she's a little sad, isn't she? Anyway, it's absolutely gorgeous. And down the bottom, Mango appears to have turned up to destroy something again. Look at this gorgeous trim. So vintage ladies, very much beautiful, beautiful things. And we'll quickly have a look at what she popped in the back whilst Mango gives us a bit of an earthquake. So we have a lovely little trim bit here. We need to open it up to actually see. I haven't opened these up yet. Oh, gorgeous. That's going to look lovely on a project. What do you think, Mango? So it could just sort of be one of those things that sits on the back of your tail, hey? Or you could just move. In here, I know I've already had a look at this one, so I like to have a look and see. That's where she's just sent me a little note, so I know it's from her. So I won't open that up. Move it. Move it. Looks like some gorgeous lace. Conscious of not spending as much time as I normally do. Got to whiz through it. It's a lovely little bit of lace there. Always useful. Some pearls. Some more lace is going to come out of here. You are really destroying things over there, Mango. So that's ruffled. It's pretty, isn't it? Oh, do not knock that over. Go everywhere. Look, some little fans. They're really cute, aren't they? Quite. Is it Chinese or Japanese? I have little fans. Can't think. Some gorgeous velvet ribbon. Love that. Got some more lace here. And lovely vintagey colours. And some more velvet ribbon. Do you like velvet ribbon? Can you give that back, please? So thank you so much to Pip. She always makes gorgeous things and I absolutely love it. And yours will be coming to you this week. So I've been running behind. It's been one of those weeks where I've had a bit of a nightmare. So that's from the lovely Pip. Beautiful as always. And the second one is part of the Cadge Crafts Facebook group. So I did a join Cadge's swap again, and it was called Let's Get Cozy. So it's kind of an autumnal theme. You can make whatever you want. I sent my partner an autumn themed pocket letter, and she has sent me one back. Just because that's just what we both chose to go for, but it didn't have to be a pocket letter. So she sent me this gorgeous card, which I love this wool that's attached to there. Thanks for being a great swap partner in the Let's Get Cozy Cadge Crafts Facebook swap. Hope you like what I've made for you. Crafty hugs, Lorna. So Lorna was my partner. And look at this amazingly autumnal trim. Just perfect colours, isn't it? Gorgeous. And for what it looks like, she has done some stamping on here. Let me know if I'm wrong. But it looks like lovely stamping. And then there's some embellishments there. Just looks really nice, doesn't it, with those really effective on that background. And we'll have a quick look and see. So we've got some of this gorgeous trim, so I can use this now. I love it. And I also think this is perfect for Halloween and things. And there we go, she's put her it's a Cadge Crafts Facebook group, Lorna Callahan. Some more eyelash trim, which I absolutely love. Love eyelash trim. And look at this eyelash trim. This is absolutely perfect for Halloween projects, which are still ongoing. Look at that. We have got some gems. So we've got some like that. I can't see those ones because I placed them the wrong way. Because they fell out and I put them back in. But those are lovely colour. Some smiley faces. Some little Christmas ones down there. Some little Christmas ones down here. And then let's have a look in this one, because there seems to be a bit of a message there. So it says, this card is handcrafted. Any smudges, splodges or spillages are intentional and are designed to enhance the artistic quality of the finished product. So it looks like she's even made the design on the back. So not only is it stamped on, but she's made the background design, which is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, she's put in a lovely frame for me as well. So thank you so much, Lorna. I absolutely love it. And I love the little extra touches that you've handed in. That really gorgeous. So we'll have to end this video here before I make it ridiculously long. And I will see you again very soon. Bye.